All right, what's up, everyone? Today is July 24th, 2017, Monday. Um, when I was going through my videos, it looks like I guess Thursday recap video did not upload, and I didn't trade on Friday, so kind of putting these both together. And I guess the big one to talk about Thursday was UWT. I was taking this one long, and after it broke out and it was holding a trend on the daily, uptrend. So, I thought I was like, okay, this one's going to continue higher and retest this previous highs, or at least here, back to 1955. So I was thinking of going taking this one for a short. I mean, not short, sorry, a long. And right at the open, it popped to 1420, and I was did buying at 1397. So I did buy. I think it was at 14 when I actually went in. So I did buy at $14. Went up and then came and retested at 1396. So I was like, okay, it's fine. Right when I was about to leave to do some work stuff, this big red candle happens, and boom, just completely changes my game plan. For my swing plays, I typically, especially if it's a wide stop, I don't use a stop loss for swing plays. I use a mental stop, and but when I saw that happen, this big red candle, I was like, no, that's this is breaking a lot of breaking trend. So I ended up actually scalping this one. I added more, and I pretty much was down still at this point, and I said, okay, this one's gonna recover. But then, boom, drops again. Um, I had left it open when I went to work. I did have a stop loss this time to the lows, but the problem was that I wasn't heavy because I was feeling confident about oil. But once it dropped there, it stopped me out. Took a huge loss on Thursday, and I think at the end of the day, I ended up trading AAOI, and I was trying to get the end of the day double bottom here, and boom, it got me too. And I didn't want to leave my position open, so I just I closed my position, but I guess the next day probably would have given me some profits. But anyways, Friday didn't trade, and Thursday I took a huge loss. And then today I came back, and the first one that I traded was Hertz. And Hertz was I was looking at the daily. If you look at the daily, this thing was pretty much making a cup and handle pattern now. So when you have a cup and handle, it's a big U shape, retraces back down, then pops again for a breakout. I was expecting this to drop at least to $15, so around this area. And in the morning when I was looking at it, um, I looked at it from the 5 minute candle, and based on this dropping dimes, um, I have a semi risk above yesterday's high, which is around 16. So I gave it 16.10, and then dropping dimes here pre-market is telling you to take the short. So I took the short, and right at the open, I think I got my entry was 1570, and I started trailing once it started getting close to 1550 area, because I knew that's an area that could have bounced, and it actually did. It did bounce. So I right away I started the day with profit, and then later on the day I came and got it again, um, right before lunchtime, my time here, like around 11. And I was looking for a scalp. I was looking for this to drop right away to VWAP. It didn't do it, so I ended up taking a loss here. Um, I covered right away again because I didn't want to leave it open, given that I have a work schedule. And boom, just I went in here and I covered pretty much at the top. I didn't want to bother with it. I took a loss there, and then I guess if had I been patient or had I had the time, it would have it would have given me some nice profits. So I took a loss on Hertz overall, and then the other one that I was looking at pre-market was HAL, which is Halliburton, and this is actually one of my customers out here in Houston, and they had actually good earnings, and good revenue, good EPS. But the thing is that they must have said something during the conference call that just created this big splash. And when I was looking at it pre-market, I was looking at some support, which it had here, like around the 43, 44 area. And I was looking to dip buy there. That was gonna go there. Actually, as a matter of fact, that's where I have my my circle. But once it blew past that, I noticed that it was bouncing and holding around the 42.50 area. So I ended up taking a long here. I think it was 42.88, almost 43 when I took my long. So at first it was looking good. It was looking good. Then again, it was around the 11 o'clock my time. I had to leave. So I just ended up putting my stop loss down here. I think it was right below the low of the day. And as you can see, I ended up grinding down, and just stopped me out for a bigger loss. And after that, I pretty much wrapped up my day with the with trading. I did take a quick scalp on NVDA, and I got the double bottom here, like around 166 area. It popped, and then pretty much, it was, I think it was like a 70-cent win. It wasn't, I didn't do a huge position size, so it was a small win. But overall, I ended up red. Um, that gives me, I guess, 2 red days, and Thursday and today, because Friday I didn't trade. I do have some swing trades open, so let's see if those start paying off tomorrow, and maybe for the rest of the week. But other than that, I am in the red for the past 2 days, so let's hopefully we get to turn this around. Anyways, talk to you guys later.